Hello, I am Nisham and you're watching DNP India. Firstly, welcome back to our channel. And in case if you haven't subscribed to our channel DNP India, then what you're waiting for, please do it now. And do not forget to share. Share this video as well as the other videos of our channel. Thank you. So the Nationalist Congress Party, which is the NCP, has cast doubt on the NCB's action against a drug party on a cruise. Yes, you heard it right. So NCP leader Nawab Malik made a sensational claim that the NCB's action had a connection with the BJP, and the man who took Arbaz Merchant, who was arrested on a cruise along with Aryan Khan, was not an NCB official. He actually is a BJP office bearer, where he also showed photos of the man with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah. So let me tell you that along with Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant was also arrested on the cruise. I'm sure you might know about him, and he was grabbed by someone and taken to the NCB office, where this person also does not belong to the NCB, and he's actually a BJP Vice President Manish Bhanushali. He has photos with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah and the BJP President JP Nadda, as Malik claimed. He also showed a photo of Bhanushali at the press conference, where Bhanushali's Facebook account has photos with BJP leaders like I mentioned, and Malik said that now the account has been locked. So what actually happened? Let me tell you that Manish Bhanushali had gone to Delhi on September 21st. There he met BJP leaders, and Bhanushali was in Gujarat from September 22nd to September 28th. There he held some meetings in the ministry. On September 22nd was a very important date because on the same day 3,000 kgs of narcotics was found in Mundra port in Gujarat, which was in the possession of Adani Group, said Malik. Where Bhanushali arrived in Mumbai on September 28th, then on October 1st he went to Gujarat again, and from there he returned to Mumbai and was present during the NCB operation on the cruise, as rightly pointed out by Malik. So who is Manish Bhanushali? So let me tell you that he is a native of Dombivli, and he is a businessman by profession and was a BJP office bearer till the year 2012. He was still active in the party, and he has photos on his Facebook account with some of the biggest BJP leaders. Please keep a note on that. And like I mentioned earlier, he has photos on his social media account with Prime Minister, Home Minister, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar and Narayan Rane. So what do you think about this whole scenario, and what do you think about the BJP's involvement in the case? Do you think it was planned like some of the Bollywood biggies like Raveena Tandon are actually claiming, or again it's just a cover-up? Do let us know in the comments down below. And that was all for today's segment. If you like today's content and video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to DNP India. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Keep loving us, keep showering your love, and keep watching DNP India.